let's say, for example, that you wanted to post an actual element, whether it will be like a story or like a reel or just an actual post directly into Instagram. But you don't want anyone to comment into this specific elements into the device. The first thing you want to do, of course, is to turn off the comments into a single post. So for this demonstration, I'm going to start with an actual post. Let's go for the element that says create. I'm going to start with an actual post. I select from my computer. Let's go for the element that says download. And I wanted to select, for example, this one that says TextPress. And let's go for next. I want to do any kind of adjustments. And let's say here is our main logo. Like it? There we go. No location, no collaboration, accessible elements. Now, if you want to disable these elements on the screen where you add your actual caption, you want to scroll down into the advanced settings. Into the advanced settings, I wanted to enable the element that says turn off commenting. So I enable this, and even if I wanted, for example, to hide more stuff, for example, hide liked and view counts on this post, I enable this element. So when I share this specific post, people will be able to check out this actual post. They will be able to like this specific post, but they won't be able to comment on that specific post unless you clicked back into the post here. And as you can see, there is no comment button. So if I wanted to change this into the future, I can go for the three dots. And then what I need to do is to make sure that I hit for the element that says turn on commenting. Sometimes it appears as into the edit element, or just straight away when it says turn on commenting. And now it is enabled the comment section. So the second method, for example, is to restricting the comments account wide. For this, I'm going to focus into this element that says profile, more settings. This is, for example, just in case it didn't work for you. So here into my settings in privacy, I wanted to look out here for the actual element that says comments. Into my comments, I wanted to go for the element that says allow comments from. You can change this from everyone to off. So nobody will be able to comment into my post. And I can disable the allow GIF comments just in case. Then I can head back into my profile, and you can see that nobody is basically available to do these elements. A pro tip that I can give you is that instead of turning the comments off completely, you can use the hidden words feature. You can add specific words or emojis list, and Instagram will automatically hide any comments that contains them. It's like a personalized way security guard for your profile. Basically, what you just need to do is to make sure directly into your elements of the comments section, you want to look out for the left section and go for the element that says hidden words. So let's go for hide comments, advanced comment filtering. You can enable this and hide the message request. Enable those and your account might be a little bit more secure, speaking about comment section. So you're now into the full control of notification. If this saves you sanity today, hit the like button and subscribe to EasyTech Daily. Thank you for watching. See you next time.